In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. Now, the first thing you have to do is just head over to Ubisoft Connect, and once you're on that page, it should look similar to what you're seeing on screen now. From here, you want to make sure you are signed into your account, and you can check that by going up to the top right corner and looking for this little profile icon. And when we click on that, it will open up this profile page where we can see a whole bunch of different things about our account. Now, since we're trying to change our profile picture, we can actually hover over our profile picture here, and we can simply click on it, and it will allow us to change it. Now, you don't have to do it from here. You can also go down to the bottom where it says account management down here. And when we click on this, it'll bring open this new page where we can see some options related to our account. However, if we go to the option in the top left, which says account information, and we'll also be able to edit our profile picture inside of here by hovering over our profile picture and clicking it. And from there, it allows us to change our avatar or profile picture. Now, as you can see, we can click on this and we can scroll through to see a whole bunch of games that Ubisoft are involved in. However, there isn't an option to add custom photos. So unfortunately, if you were trying to add a custom profile picture, this is not possible. And unfortunately, you will have to pick from some of these preset profile pictures that they give us. So although we can't have a custom one, there are a ton of different options, and we can search for our favourite game in here, and then we can pick the character which we like best. And when we're happy, we can go ahead and click choose to set it as our profile picture. So that's how you can change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.